So this morning I will be mulching with chicken manure in sawdust. This is well cured chicken manure. It is not wet, so it has been drying for quite some time, couple months. Well, this has been dried for, so it is well cured. I am just going to go ahead and mulch because I was waiting on my seedlings for them to come up, and then I would have mulched. But as you know, my situation where worms, where they ate my seedlings, well, most of my seedlings, because now I had to start some more seeds again, so I'm at it again. So now that I realize that the diatomaceous earth is working, you know, I am just going to do what I have to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and mulch with this chicken manure in sawdust. So guys, I will not take you through the entire process and bore you with me mulching all of my containers. So I am just showing you, for those who have never seen me done it before, I'm just showing you what I'm doing. Adding the chicken manure in sawdust lightly. So this is basically what I'll be doing. Let me just do another one, show you. So I'm just basically doing that, doing it very lightly, because we still want for air to pass through freely. So this is where I leave you for today, and until tomorrow, walk good.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live, sweet jam.